Shri D. Raja. Kindly try to help the other members by restricting your time.
Thank you, sir. I rise to state some views of my party on this important issue. Sir, Godavari is one of our very perennial rivers. We all have great love and respect for our rivers. Now they are becoming more disputes among the states. While the Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated, our party expressed the view there could be issues in the future, for instance, the sharing of river water and other natural resources. Now, Godavari has become a dispute or controversy among different states. The newly created states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, then the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. How to take a position which safeguards the interests of all the states, the people of all the states. Here I think this Polavaram multi-purpose project is very important. We are for Polavaram project, but at the same time, we want the government to consider whether the project can be redesigned in a new situation as it is today. Because Polavaram project was conceived some 8 decades ago, 80 years ago. Now the situation has changed and now it is a central project. It is a national project. It doesn't belong to one state or other. The central government has the authority, has the power to take a decision. My humble submission is the central government can think of redesigning the dam. We are for dam, we are for Polavaram project, but at the same time, we appeal to the government, is it possible to redesign that project so that the interests of both Telangana and Andhra are safeguarded, the interests of Orissa and Chhattisgarh are safeguarded. That's what I want to appeal to the government. You can have an experts committee, you can seek the opinions of experts committee, and it is not that difficult. It is not that India doesn't have such experts. We have, but it is for the government. If you have political will, you can seek the views of expert committee. You can think of redesigning the dam so that Godavari doesn't become a disputed river as other rivers. I don't want to take the names. Even Kaveri, still we are finding difficult to find a solution. And Godavari should not become such a river. That is number one point, sir. Number two, I agree with my friend Jairam Ramesh. The new land acquisition law should be applied to the not only the rehabilitation, resettlement of tribal people, and even if tribal people are evicted, and their compensation must be according to the new laws, because it is a central project and your central laws should apply there. You should not leave it to the state governments and let the state governments take care of tribal people. That will be a great disservice to the people of the tribal people of that region. So I think the government should apply the central laws, the laws passed by Parliament last year, so far as the interests of tribal people are concerned. Then the transfer of some mandals from Khammam district and other regions. I think, sir, there are problems. We have a popular elected government in Telangana.
Okay, thank
We
you.
have a popular elected government in Andhra Pradesh. Why can't the center sit with the state governments? Why can't you facilitate both the state governments sit together and discuss the matter? Yeah, because I think it should be done in a democratic way. It should be done in a democratic way. Because we have two governments. Telangana, we have a popular elected government. Andhra, we have a popular elected government. What is the difficulty in asking? No, I come first. Primarily it is between these two states, and next it should be extended. Even Orissa should not have fear in their mind. Their interest will be affected, or Chhattisgarh should not have that fear, because the whole
Thank you,
region
Mr. Raja.
is meant
Please.
for where we have largest tribal populations are. Their interest should not suffer. Tribal people should not be just like that evicted and left in lurch. And the center has the responsibility, and I hope when you discuss, you will have to consider these views, and there are people who are of the same views, and you must give due consideration these views. This is what my party
Okay,
considers.
thank you.